Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hello everyone, welcome back to At Home with Lisa. Hi lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today you all, I am coming to you with another DIY in the Gender Reveal DIY series. So I am going to be making some bows and I'm going to be using this Deco mesh that you see here. And of course I'm using the colors pink and blue. I've never really made a bow by hand using the Deco mesh before, so I'm going to give it a try today. And I also have some regular ribbon as well in pink and in blue. And it is not wired ribbon either, but I don't need it to be wired. But if you want to use wired ribbon, of course you can. Okay. So if this is your first time here, I welcome you with open arms. If you're returning, welcome back. We so appreciate your continued support. And we want to welcome all of our new love bugs to the channel. And we are headed to 7K, you guys. You guys are rocking it out. I am so happy and I'm so pleased with the way the channel is going, and I'm also most excited that the videos that I am bringing to you guys, that you're inspired and you're taking something away from each video. So here's my bow dabber here. I'm going to be using it to kind of keep myself in line, with my Deco mesh bow. And I'm going to be using the cutter and I'm going to be using some scissors. So these are all of my supplies I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the pink and blue Deco mesh. I'm going to be using the pink and blue ribbon, and I'm also going to be using my bow dabber, my cutter, and some scissors. So just sit back and relax, guys. Enjoy this video as I try to create these bows for this gender reveal that is coming up. So here I'm using my bow dabber trying to figure out how long I'm going to do my loops. So I'm trying to figure that out. So I'm going to do some measurements right here on my measuring pad. And that's how I'm going to figure out how I want my, how long I want my loops to be. But in saying that, whenever I fold the loops, I'm going to have to fold them over. So therefore, when I do the scrunching, then I won't lose a piece of the deco mesh, if that makes sense. So right now I'm just cutting my pieces of the ribbon that I'm going to be using here. So now my blue and my pink Deco mesh strips are done. I have cut all the strips that I wanted to cut. Also, what I'm doing now is I'm getting ready to measure and cut my regular pink and blue ribbon. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-cut them as well too. So I'm using a pipe cleaner to put down in my Bodabra because when I place my Deco mesh and my ribbon down and I'm finished the way I want the bow to look, I want to be able to just take the two ends of the pipe cleaner and just pull it up and wrap it. So now I'm going ahead, as you can see, I'm putting the pipe cleaner back in there, and I'm going ahead and laying my Deco mesh in. So I have my first one there, and I'm just going to do a pattern pink and blue, pink and blue, pink and blue. So that's the pattern that I'm doing, and as you can see, this is what I was talking about earlier. You got to overlap your pieces in order for them to stay together, because if you don't overlap the pieces, it's going to come apart and you're going to have a Deco mesh mess, and we don't want that. So I'm just going ahead and folding my Deco mesh, and I'm going to put all of the pieces in the Bodabra, and I'm going to scrunch them together, and you guys just trust the process. Just continue watching as I am building this bow. Now, at the gender reveal, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use these bows for. There are going to be some columns there. So I may use them for the column, or I may use them for the table, just to jazzy the table up a little bit to make it more festive for the gender reveal. So yeah, you just never know. So you guys have to keep on watching these videos so you can see the final decorated gender reveal location. So I'm liking the way it's looking. So you see now I'm pulling my pipe cleaner up and the bow is coming with me. And now I'm just going to tighten it. As you can see, everything is still together. I'm tightening it, and I'm going to twist it about 2 or 3 times. And then all I'm going to do is poof out my loops. So I'm cutting the extra ends of the pipe cleaner. Also, too, I'm going to go through with that ribbon, the blue and pink ribbon that I have. I'm going to use it to cover the pipe cleaner. So I'm using the pink ribbon right now, And I have the blue. I'm putting it together because it is a pair, pink and blue. And I'm just going to go in the middle there and I'm going to double tie it in the back. And I'm all done. All right, there you have it. There is my beautiful gender reveal pink and blue bow. I hope you guys enjoyed how I created this bow. Hopefully you can take something away from it. And I hope you all are enjoying this gender reveal DIY series that I have brought to you. But at any rate, at home with Lisa, Lisa has to sign off. I have to leave you guys. All right, you all. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, love bugs. I will definitely see you all in the next. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. And thank you for your continued support. Bye-bye, love bugs.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home.